In this video, we are going to look how to add the profile display line onto the profile view band. So you can see this is my existing ground. If I click here, it will show you the name is as EG surface. This is the existing ground. So you can see it is some kind of a green color dash line. I am going to add that green color dash line representation onto this profile view band here. This is how to do it. So you need to select the profile view from here, go to profile view properties, then you have to identify the correct band. So this is the existing ground elevation band I am going to edit. So I click on these three dots here and I pick this tile, then go to edit current selection. So the title text is here. This is where we need to add that line. So I go to this compose label thing, and you can see currently I will zoom into this location. So it says EG elevation. So what I'm trying to do is add a line underneath here. So to do that, I go to here, I use this line option. Also you can add a block representing that kind of a line representation, but I will go with this line option. So line 1, so I will set that line width to 15 meters, and X offset I'll make it 10, and for this one I'll make it middle center start point anchor. So you can see it came here, and sorry, middle left, I guess. Yeah, middle left. So you can adjust this location using these parameters. So the my start Y offset should go down. So I'll type something like -2. Now this is correct, and the color was green. I will use green here, or maybe green from here. You can see that is updating. Line type, it is dashed line type. I use -2 here and click OK, and it, you won't see it straight away, but if you apply you might see, no, still not seeing, but it will go onto the profile view anyway. So click OK, back again, OK, OK, and finally click OK for one last time, and you can see that line comes here. So anyone who look at the profile view knows EG elevation is given in this line. So similarly you can add the FG elevation using this line as well. Instead of adding a line, you can create a line here, then convert it to a block and add that block onto that location on the uh, band editor. So that is how you can display a profile line on the profile view band.